proving the SME case for solar PV, Thermatic Group. Like, comment and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. Technical FM provider Thermatic Group installed a 200-module rooftop solar system at its Salford HQ to demonstrate long-term value for SMEs. The system offsets monthly electricity bills by 108%, turning a £1,040 monthly expense into a £1,126 saving. An initial investment of £87,450 is projected to deliver £247,000 in savings, resulting in a net profit of £159,000. The system features a commercially viable payback period of just over 6 years. By generating more electricity annually than the building consumes, the roof functions as a consistent revenue stream. The installation reduces CO2 emissions by 15 tons annually, equivalent to planting 700 trees every year. This provides measurable data for SMEs required to evidence reductions in Scope 2 emissions by larger partners. It includes a fire alarm shutdown feature that automatically deactivates the entire system if an alarm is triggered. Solar PV is increasingly profitable for businesses with daytime energy use and electricity rates exceeding 20 pence per kilowatt hour. This embedded infrastructure improves financial stability and energy independence rather than serving as a simple ESG add-on. Gary Boone, Managing Director of Thermatic Homes, which leads the group's renewable strategy, said, "Solar in this context is not a discretionary sustainability spend or a nice-to-have. It becomes part of a company's financial infrastructure for the long term while reducing exposure to volatility across the energy market." To learn more, read the full article on our ESG category. Read more at TWinFM.com.